Visit Swansea Bay really stood out for me in terms of marketing excellence and through the use of digital technology and social media. The techniques that they used, even though working on social media can be quite time consuming, to build brand awareness and to raise the profile, Visit Swansea Bay managed to get 400,000 hits and really engage with their audience in terms of attracting tourism. So for me, this was by far a standout application. The Ethos campaign really stood out for Adopt Wales, as this was a really challenging subject to cover, and the campaign itself really hit on hearts and minds and really connected with their audience in terms of encouraging awareness and raising brand building, and it was a really professionally complete campaign. So it was a very successful project, and this really stood out for me as a judge, as it really hit the nail on the head in terms of marketing excellence. Dŵr Cymru Welsh Water really stood out for me as the campaign was very innovative, the use of creativity was excellent, and their marketing around launching their water bottles and actually spreading the word about the importance of water was really vital in this campaign. And as a marketing professional, I thought that this was an excellent way to drive interest in having water both at work, at play and through sports. And I really liked the water bottle design. It was excellent. This was a really great category for the social economy, and we were really excited to have such a high standard of applications. I'd just like to wish the finalists all the very best of luck.
Arriva Trains Wales put a lot of attention and effort into trying to gain a deep understanding what was going on in the market. Their level of research and the insights that they gained from that research were really impressive. But then they turned that into a campaign which, in terms of return on investment, far exceeded their original estimates. And we were incredibly impressed by the comprehensive nature of that campaign. So it was about clear research turned into very original insights delivered in a very professional and comprehensive way. For Cardiff Airport, what we really liked about their application was the comprehensive nature, how they looked at every possible channel to address the business need. They'd identified a very clear business need. They responded very quickly to that challenge in terms of ensuring that a new airline coming into Cardiff boosted passenger numbers very, very quickly. They did that very professionally, but they also ensured that there was a comprehensive nature to the campaign. It all linked together very, very well. And of course the results that they identified in terms of a very significant uplift beyond targeted passengers in those early months of the new operator was very, very impressive. We thought their approach to the visitor experience or the supporter experience was genuinely original. They'd done a lot of research into various supporter groups, and what we really liked about that application was that they had tried to translate those insights into improvements to the visitor experience at lots of different touch points. And the work that Cardiff City have done has been recognised across the UK in terms of particularly their influence on away supporters. They've turned Cardiff from a place that away supporters fear to come to a place that was probably the best away trip in the calendar year for visiting supporters.